Hey everyone, welcome back. Cars, advice, and reviews. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It'll help out the channel. Um, I just do a mix of things and it'll help the videos be seen by more people. So I'm out here. I came out early, woke up at 6, drove down to Lake Elsinore from the Long Beach area. And I'm here waiting for this guy because I need to pick up some part to repair this truck I bought that's crashed. And the reason is I'll be getting rid of the TRX soon. It's kind of sad. I never thought I'd get rid of it. But there's something else that I've been waiting for a while. And in order to get that, I will need to let the TRX go. I can't afford payments on two trucks. So that's what's going on here. So just waiting and admiring this truck, and if I had the money, I would keep it. All right, I'm here by his house, still calling, no answer. So let's see. Waiting away. Okay, finally got this. Magically, I'm back home. And this is for this truck. I'm gonna go ahead and try to offload this by myself. I usually do a lot of stuff by myself because I can't afford help, and all my friends are always busy doing their own stuff. It's part of growing up and being an adult, I guess. So I'm here just trying to, almost dropped it. It's kind of awkward. It's I didn't want to break my rear window. I didn't want to scratch this truck anymore because I want to sell it, get rid of it. So I'm struggling. Wait. Got it. All right, so this is a 2020 Silverado 2500 HD, and it took a smack right dead center. So I will repair this so I could have some type of truck in the meantime until I wait for my other truck. Cybertruck. I'm waiting for a Cybertruck. So I'm gonna start working on this guy soon. Pull off the old parts, get in there, cut off whatever is damaged, keep what is good, weld it on, and still got a lot more parts to collect. You can see how this core support is bent, but I think there's a lot of good stuff. You know, it starts, it runs, but see, there's a wrinkle right here. This AC radiator is kind of pushed in. I hope it's still fine. I hope it's not, there's no leak. I don't see any evidence of leak because you'll see the oil coming out right there. I've done a lot of projects like that before. Lately I've just been busy with work, and I like doing stuff like that. It's kind of common. Right here is ripped up, part of the frame rail, but that's no biggie. I don't think the frame's not bent. It's just ripped this bolt right here. Look like a worm right now. So this is pretty tough. So I'll keep making videos as I repair this, and hopefully it's something that you guys could enjoy. So I probably didn't mention earlier, it's a gasser, the 6.6 liter, 8-foot bed. Came with a diesel tank and pump back here. I'm not gonna need that. And there are two toolboxes back here. So a lot of crap back here. Cameras, it's pretty cool. Definitely need these when you have an 8-foot bed with a crew cab. So my plan is probably put a leveling kit, 35s or like the TRX, or maybe 37s. But look in here, it's pretty dirty. Just got the people just threw trash in here, maybe when it was at the auction. And it's got the pleather seats, vinyl, And it's not bad. Just a truck, airbags deployed. I gotta look into that, but shouldn't be a big deal. So lots of stuff to look forward to, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.